Hello and welcome to Aishwarya's kitchen. Autumn has started and soon it will be Thanksgiving. Now I feel that Thanksgiving dinner is incomplete without a pumpkin pie, and that's what we'll be making today. So the first thing we'll do is preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. Okay? Homemade pumpkin pie is super delicious and super easy to make. All you do is mix all the ingredients in one bowl and pour it into a pie crust and bake it. That's all. Now we'll start mixing all the ingredients. So here I have a pumpkin puree. To this I will add the spices. Now all the ingredients and their quantities you will see it at the end of the video, and you will also find it in the description box below. Okay? So just mix it all. Mix all the spices in the puree. After mixing all the spices, we'll go ahead and add condensed milk. Now to this, we'll add eggs. And now all we do is mix it all good. The condensed milk in this recipe makes it really velvety smooth. If you notice, there is no sugar extra added in this recipe. Generally, the pumpkin pie recipes will ask for the brown sugar or regular sugar, but I prefer condensed milk. It makes it really velvety. Now when you're mixing this filling, try not to use a whisk because you don't want to add extra air into this filling. Okay? Now this is mixed good enough. It is ready to go into a pie crust. Our pumpkin filling is ready to go into a pie crust. Now here I'm using a 9-inch pie crust. If you want to know the recipe for it, please comment below and I may make that video next time. Let's pour our filling in. So this goes in. This recipe is for 9-inch pie crust. Okay? Let's jiggle it a little to flat it out, and I'm going to tap gently to get the bubbles out. You don't want any extra bubbles in it. Our pumpkin pie is ready to go in the oven. Now I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, I'm going to reduce the temperature. I will let you know the temperature, but right now, let's put it in the oven. Once the 15 minutes are done, lower the temperature of the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes or until the knife comes out clean. Okay? Our pie is ready. Just got out of the oven. So when you first get it out of the oven, it's going to be like fluffed up like this, but once it starts cooling off, it will go down. Okay? Now we are going to let it rest for 2 to 3 hours or until it cools off completely. You don't want to cut it when it's still hot because then you're going to have a runny pie and you don't want that. You want a nice slice, right? So have patience, let it cool down completely. Okay? Our pumpkin pie is cooled off and it's ready to eat. Now you can see the shine on it. You see that? It's all because of the condensed milk. Trust me, you need to use the condensed milk in your pumpkin pie to get this shine. I cut out the pie crust into fall leaves and I'm going to decorate the pie with these. So we'll start arranging these leaves on. I think I'm gonna do it this way. One this one, then one like this. It's your pie, you can decorate however you like, just be creative. Or you can just serve it with some Cool Whip on it. You don't even need to decorate it. Hi Kimchi. It's my cat wanting to eat some pumpkin pie. So our pumpkin pie is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.